Hi ate, anong pinapanood mo ate?
This is Contrabida Academy.
Parang kontrabida nga.
Ang bigat niya.
Contrabida Academy.
Siya yung kontrabida ni Jackie Chan. Si Jackie Chan yung
Oh! Sakto! Commercial ng vlog. Andiyan kayo. Buti na lang kasama natin sa vlog na to ang Temu. Tama. Dahil ang Temu ay isang online shopping app kung saan pwede mong mahanap yung mga bagay na akala mo hindi mo kailangan pero kailangan mo pala. Kagaya nito, galing sa Temu. Galing sa Temu. Ito, Temu din. Ito, Temu din. Wait. Ito, Temu din. Ito, Temu din. Ito, Temu din. Ito, Temu din. Ha! Pagod ako! Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na ang mga bagong user na magda-download ng Temu ay pwedeng makakuha ng up to 90% off sa iba't ibang mga products. At dahil kasama natin ang Temu sa vlog na to, mga pards, meron special na regalo para sa atin ng Temu. Dahil kapag sinearch mo ang aking code na DYM8895, tama ba? DYM8895, tama! Ay pwede ka makakuha ng up to 5,000 pesos na coupon. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? I-download nyo na yung Temu, pumunta na kayo sa Temu at harapin nyo na yung mga bagay na akala nyo di nyo kailangan pero kailangan nyo pala. At pwede mo rin gamitin ang code na to para makakuha ng free gifts sa Temu para sa mga qualified na orders. Pumunta na kayo sa link na nasa description ng video na to. Nilagay ko dyan yung para sa Temu. At ayun lang. Alis na ako. Back to the vlog.
Guys, I'm full sleeved.
Yes.
Tattooed up, man.
Sakit niyan, sakit niyan. Kabila pa, meron pa.
May dumaan sa TikTok shop ko na mga ganyan, mga temporary.
Sticker.
Sticker tattoo. Edi kuha ako ganda ko. Ito. Tapos nilagay ko na lahat, parts. Yung kakalagay ko pa lang, siguro wala pang 10 minutes, inantok na ako. Siguro nakatulog akong ganyan. Tapos meron na dito. Ito pa nga. Sabi nila, after 48 to 72 hours, lalabas yung tunay na kulay. So, iitim pa lalo to.
Hindi mo na lang ginaya yung mga tattoo na yun to. Maraming tattoo yan si Gino eh.
Oo, yung ito, love. Ito!
Ay!
Play. Ayun, play.
Meron ka pa tattoo dito ba? Pwede na natin. Hindi na lang natin papakita yung
Breakout. May natira kasi iso, sabi ko. Puno na. Sayang. Dito na lang.
Ano sabi mo, Chins, kanina?
Na wag ilagay dyan.
Kasi?
Isang pa lang kasi punong-puno na. Eh, hindi ka nakinig.
Ang kontrabida na siya doon. So, 8:39 na. Pumatake ang pagiging kontrabida ni Achi.
Tapos, nadadaganan yung mga gamit ko dyan, kawawa.
Teka, pakita lang natin
Kita mo? Tapos,
Punong-puno.
yung bago kong pick, nilagyan nyo at pinatungan nyo ng maruming sapatos.
Ano pa? Sapatos ko ba yan? Nakapatong
Pick
dyan.
din naman to.
Edi pick.
Guys, anong oras?
Car raid. Anong
8:40. 8:40 nag-joke siya, guys.
Pick siya ng pick.
Oh, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung shoes ko.
Bumukas ka kung hindi sasampalin kita.
Ang grabe naman yung voice activate. Sarap pa sinagtako. Hindi kayo batoy ng bola ng bilyar. Gawin mo. Oh, gago palaban na talaga. Anong oras? Guys, 8:44. Ay, nawawala sa kala ko kontrabida.
Ang sarap.
Everybody, welcome to Pickleball 2025. What you are seeing right now is
Bien goes to the serve,
a match that has already started in!
and she calls out. What a nice eye by Velasquez Gaspar.
Right now, the score is 4-2-1. Oh, another point for this duo. I think we're gonna get to see a very quick match for this one. Everything is just coming their way. Bien with the backhand, but with a giggle shot. Oh my God! Na-dog leg.
You look at the commentator.
I don't know what
she was
happened.
like, what the F. But Chloe goes for the drive and then a block and a drive
Another
again.
drive. Oh!
I saw her giggle meter went high and she went for the
Yes.
Netflix.
Harang-harang kasi!
Show them, show. Behind the community, please respect the community.
Look, it's technical foul! It's technical foul! You cannot do that to every commentators.
Tingnan mo, arang-arang na naman.
Look at the attitude. Look at the attitude of this player.
That the attitude of the gold medalist?
That is not the attitude of a champion. That is not the attitude of a champion. What with the serve?
Nice serve.
Nice serve.
Was popped up high.
Nice try.
Rally.
What a nice return. What a nice return. Chloe with a good drop.
Now this is the rally I want to see, partner.
No.
Oh!
No way. Oh! I thought we're gonna see a dick from far away. Like it was served from Laguna, but it went to all the way to Taguig. Oh! What happened to him? What happened? Now, everyone that is watching, that is on your side.
Oh, he sees the dead commenter. Oh, what the poopy?
The farther. The farther you go, the farther you be.
Why are you running? Sorry, I wanted to let it out.
Okay.
Oh, and a smash. And she gets it in. That is
What a
again.
good defense.
That
What
is
a
again
good
nice
defense.
eye.
And we have a pretty lady here drinking a beer. Hi, Mama, this is your name?
My name is...
Ovuvuevuevue enyetuenwevue ugbemugwem osas.
Boss, kiss or slap? This one? Yes.
But Bien goes for that scorpion hit again.
No, that was a drop. And there with the Scorpion. Oh, the Scorpions win. Scorpions win. Just came inside the building.
She didn't even say her name was that, but she earned the title. Scorpion.
Definitely. I thought I can only see Scorpion in the desert, but Scorpion is in Los Baños, Laguna. Oh, what a kill shot.
That was
Now,
definitely a
these two are having a hard time defending their court.
Will we be seeing a new reigning champion?
Well, we don't know. They have the crown. The question is, can they defend it? Now, let's see. Are they gonna get back to this game?
Chloe's like really far, man. She's really far.
I think it's because of the deep serve. No, that was a short return.
And she gets it.
And now they are back on the offensive side. Let's see if they can take advantage of the situation.
Oh! She gets hit by the Scorpion Queen.
The Scorpion Queen attacks again. It's now the Scorpion Queen. 5-2.
Let that Arab league. Can we get some street belly dancers here?
Oh.
Oh! Did you see
Now
what
the...
Chloe's like?
Yeah.
They like that.
Okay, now that is brought to you by Karate Do. Online karate teaching lesson. Oh! What a powerful shot.
Wow! Can you see? Just flip her paddle in the last moment. Chloe gets it.
Now,
We will interview the one and only. She really showed that she was a highlight of the game.
definitely.
The one and only Scorpion Queen.
Just like Scorpion versus Banana. Everything is just... But what can you say about your game that you think is the highlight of everything?
Sorry, I'm drunk.
That's why you lost.
Yeah.
Everyone, that's it. You heard it from the Scorpion Queen. Now we are with the champions. So the first question goes to, who is the main character in your team? It's Lobat, but thank you for the interview. Thank you, it's Lobat.
Thank you.
It's Lobat.
Say your post credits.
Yes.
Thank you for watching the game, and I hope you guys.
Kailangan kasi sa Contrabida Academy, yung itsura pa lang kailangan nakakatakot na. Parang, ang laki-laki mo, ang sikip-sikip dito. Sa actions, hindi ako nananampal, pero...
Detesting lang, ganyan lang may nalang. Saan mo lalakasan na dito lang? Parang kaya ko sumalo ng sampal dito.
Kailangan tarayan mo muna.
Ang ina. Alam mo, bakit yung sinampal mo ako damon? Wala pang ano.
Ganun nga kasi ang Contrabida, hindi kailangan pinapagsalita yung sinampal agad ako.
Kaya ko nga tingnan mo, sampalin mo nga ako mga level 1 lang. Level 1 yan?
Tsaka ng level 1, ang level 2 kasi medyo...
May tunog na.
Hindi na level. Sakit word.
Nagmar ko. Nagtato.